Hello. My name is Sham, like Sham no Sham, and I'm here at Green Square in Komae, Tokyo. Green Square is an Eikaiwa cafe where you can sit back, relax, and enjoy English conversation and English learning, business English, exam English, travel English, Aiken preparation, TOEIC preparation, anything you want in a relaxing environment, in a fun environment, in a place where you will feel motivated to study English. And today in Sham Talk, this is Sham Talk, I'm Sham and I'm talking. Forgot to say oi oi saveloy. In case you're wondering what oi oi saveloy means, it's just a very, very North London kind of Cockney way of saying hello, oi oi saveloy, or showing surprise. Basically, today's episode is about a British brand, Huel. I'm doing a brand review today. Huel, this is their ready-to-drink drink. It's a meal replacement drink. So basically, if you do not have time to eat breakfast or to eat dinner or to eat lunch, breakfast, lunch, or dinner, you basically can eat, well, you can drink this. It has a lot of different minerals and vitamins. It has, I think, 26 different vitamins and minerals. It has 20 grams of protein, and it has omega-3 and omega-6. It has a lot of different nutrients. So it pretty much has everything you need in a meal, but it's a drink. So this one is chocolate, and in Japan they have 3 flavors. They have chocolate, vanilla, and berry. But in the UK they have a lot of other flavors like salted caramel and I think strawberry cheesecake. They have a lot of different flavors. So yeah, it's not too bad. Yeah, pretty good. I do apologize to Hitomi because she would have she wanted berry, it turns out. I bought vanilla and chocolate. I thought she would want vanilla. But then she said, I would have wanted berry. And so now, next time, I'm going to buy berry. It's really, really cool. You can get a subscription from Huel, so they'll deliver to your door every 4 weeks, every 3 weeks, every 5 weeks, every 6 weeks. So you can have a subscription where you pay monthly and you can receive the product every so often. And you can change the subscription in between orders, so you can change how much of a particular flavor you get. So for example, next month's delivery, or in my delivery is scheduled for 5 weeks, every 5 weeks. So my next delivery, I can change it to have a box of chocolate flavor and a box of berry flavor, which is very useful. I did try it for the first time yesterday for breakfast, and this is really, really good for me because I have to get Leo ready in the morning, pack his bags, fold his clothes, cream him up, and clean him up, clean him up, cream him up, and then dress him up. Yeah, so I have to do all of that, and I have to make his breakfast, I have to feed him breakfast because he doesn't eat by himself. Anyway, yeah. So this is very, very useful for me. I don't have to prepare my own breakfast. I can just drink this. So it's very, very good. I'm going to give you a little reaction video. I'm going to open it. Some unboxing video. Well, decapping video. And did you hear that? Yeah, very nice. It's chocolate. You can see there's chocolate there. And yeah, chin chin. Uma, uma, oh, uma. Look, so I don't really like when on Japanese television people taste things and then they just go completely over the top. Every single time someone eats something or drinks something, it's like they've never had food in their life. Like, Uma! Oh, Uma! Oh my god, it's so good! Oh my god! Look, I'm not going to do that. But that is quite good. That's quite nice, actually. I thought it would be thicker. And it's not as thick as I thought it would be. And it's not too sweet. For me, it's not too sweet. Look, my palate, my taste, my sense of taste, I love sweet things. That is not too sweet for me. I think that's a good degree of sweetness. For a Japanese palate, maybe it's too sweet. I don't know. But I don't think that's very sweet. I think that's really, really nice. That's a chocolate flavor. Not too thick. Not too runny. It tastes better than a lot of the protein shakes and the protein products that I've had in Japan. You know, the ones that you can get in a convenience store, those drinks. It tastes better than Savas, basically. That cocoa flavored Savas. Nah, you're alright. So this, I think it works out at around 500 yen for a bottle. Around 500 yen for a bottle. And yeah, if you do a subscription, you get a discount. But you have to remember, this is basically a meal replacement. If you're having dinner and then drinking this, fat things will happen. And that fat thing will be you. So it is meant to be a meal replacement. You don't drink this with a meal. You basically, this is your meal. This is your lunch or your dinner. And it is quite nice. It is very, very nice. So yeah, head over to the Huel website. They do have a Japanese website. And when you make your first order, you can get a starter guide and a free t-shirt. I didn't get the free t-shirt because I wouldn't wear it, basically. But that is really, really lovely. And it seems to be very, very healthy. But you can get more information from the Huel website, which is Huel.com, Huel.com. They also have SNS, so social media. So it says here, SNS で at Huel をフォローしよう! びっくりマーク! Exclamation mark. One more thing really quickly. I did forget to mention that this is a 100% vegan product. So there's no animal products in this. There are no animal derived products. So no milk, no honey, no beef. What? Nothing from an animal is in this product. It's all 100% vegan. So if you are vegan, it actually says here, I don't know what the kanji is, but vegan no kata ni mo, you can have it, basically. Yeah, so look, if you want to have conversations about diet, about protein, about staying healthy, about your ideas of doing healthy things, if you want more advice about staying healthy, or if you just want to talk about health or talk about anything, talk about fashion. The next podcast is about fashion, which is coming in a few minutes, I think. Pop on down to Green Square if you want to talk about anything. And if you want to improve your grammar, if you want to prepare for an exam, come on down. The full transcript for this podcast is going to be online on our website, www.greensquare.jp. That's www.greensquare.jp. So check it out. You can download that, and I'll see you, boys and girls, cats and dogs, ladies and gentlemen. I'll see you next time in about a few minutes.